This is the Daily Scalpel. It's part of a 9-piece custom order made for an international client. My Lockette Chamber stores replacement razors for the scalpel. Scalpel is spring-loaded on one spring, blade spring. Unlike the Havilon, which takes 2 springs, or the flipper scalpel, which is even thicker, this stays closed very securely, being spring-loaded. I have it fitted for a thumb stud. I don't have the screw. It's coming tomorrow. How about that? Number 36 scalpel blade is illuminated with a flashlight for all around 24-hour use, right? Back tool is the scissors from the 58mm keychain knife that saves a layer in an otherwise 4-layer knife, rather thick with the flashlight and the chamber, equal size layers. What do you think? Take care.